connect API Gateway with a Lambda function that has a REST API inside. The REST API is Node.js Express. Okay, so if we can confirm here, there is no triggers in this API. So the first thing that we're gonna do is create an API in a API Gateway. We're gonna go scroll down here to REST API build. Then we're gonna go to name it. I usually put the name, same name, Lambda as my function, Lambda template API, regional, everything as it is, create API. Then we want to create a resource on that API, and it's going to be a proxy resource. If we read this, it says like if we're going to proxy resource, we have to add this to the path, proxy plus create resource. Once we create a resource, we want to tag the integration there to Lambda. If we click here, we're going to open the undefined integration and edit integration. We go on the create Lambda function integration with Lambda proxy integration, and we select our function Lambda template with the ARN. That should match the same ones as in here. Then we leave the rest as it is and save. With this, if we refresh here in the Lambda function, we should already see the trigger with proxy, but it's not. We don't see the URLs because we haven't deployed yet. So we go to AWS API Gateway and deploy. We select a new stage because it's new. We don't have a name. We put any name. I want to put default. And we already deploy. Okay, now we're refreshing here. Okay, we have the URL. If we go to this URL, the URL for our API is /default. Everything after default is going to be proxy to Lambda, and it's going to be managed by the REST API inside Lambda. So I have a health check endpoint there, and we should be able to hit it. Yeah, okay. I also have an endpoint in the default /. So if we go to that default /, we see that we have a missing authentication token response. This is because when we're doing the configuration for the API gateway, we're just forwarding everything after the /. So what we want to try to do is we're gonna go to resources. I'm gonna create a new method here with this /. I'm gonna select the type any method, Lambda function, Lambda proxy integration. Don't forget this, and then the same Lambda function create method. You just need to do this if you wanna create a method in the root of your REST API. If there is something that you're doing, some redirection or something like that. Proxy deploy. We already have the name over there before, and that's it. This is gonna take a couple of minutes to reflect the same way Amazon default. Let me check the other one. Default here. Check health check pass still passing. Let me see the other one. The road should be passing soon. Took a couple of minutes. While we wait for this, I'm gonna show you how the API is looking. Here I just have a / hello from Express API simple, and I have a /healthcheck that is gonna return healthcheck. It's a typical Node.js Express API. I'm gonna put the repo link for this one too, if you need to try or something. Let's see. Yeah, that's fine. If we go to /default, we're gonna see a link from Express, and if we go to /health, check pass. Okay, just let me know if any questions in the comments. That's it. Thank you.